Whoa, wrong button. Alright, guys, we're back for Construction Sim. We'll go ahead and pull out the shop. Is there a way to... What? What? No, hey, we made it. My good. Oh yeah, right. We're supposed to pull into there. Apparently. No, load the berries. What? Well, okay, that was weird. It only took me a minute to get from the shop to the next. Alright, we're gonna do I don't like the music. Oh, barricades. Break. Go in reverse. Yeah, we gotta hit the hit we're gonna have to restart. So we'll go ahead, break, reverse, no, we gotta hit the one that we needed to hit. No, we can get to the other one. Boom. No, I'm gonna try to finish level 2 here. No. I'm gonna finish this level, we'll pause it, and then do... Whoa. Go in reverse. Why are we still going forward? Yeah. Yeah, I might be able to... Yeah, whoa, wrong way. Crash right into the thing. No. Oh, I see what they mean, but we need to block this area off. So... in there. Where'd the pencil go? Well, now... Yep, set the barriers and well now yep really what so I'm gonna pop. So we're back. I'm gonna set that down. squeeze in here? Here we go. Next.
Where are you buying from now?
I always buy from
Alibaba.com. No one cares.
where I get great deals at.
Okay. Well, it'll be a load. Okay, I can turn that down. But wrong button. Don't drive over the pile. Wait. Hold on. What is it? Yeah, that's better. Well, you know what?
Where are you buying from now?
I always buy from Alibaba.com, where I get great deals at.
Well, no one cares. Oh crap. Well, it's a mistake. But, hey. It's... Yep. Well, so the goal is to... Well, yeah, my guess... Load the excavator up. Oh yeah, I gotta go out. Well, open up. So, okay, apparently I've got to drive the excavator to the job site. Well, this will be the only level game that I actually enjoy playing. Well, yeah, because it's easy levels. So, I just wish there's an easy way to get this good. Really? What? The good reverse. No, go forward. What? So now that we're construct. Alright. How do I... Oh yeah, keep going forward. Well, yeah, there's the job area that we're working. Turn that big boy. Well, now, well, yeah, and well. Whoa. Well, apparently the train. What the heck? Okay, that was weird. But oh well. Okay, so over there. Oh, yeah, right. Gotta go in reverse now. Throw it in to drive. So I gotta drive all this machinery over to the. Jeez, this thing is really hard handling. But. Well. Yeah. It may be hard handling, but I could easily do it. Right, I gotta go in reverse to. Well, yeah, you gotta go in reverse. Well, now. Turn what way? I guess is this way. And then go in there. Oh, well, wait a minute. Am I supposed to go in there? Well, I guess probably yes. Oh, no. I gotta restart because I didn't figure it out. So that's what happens when you go to do, that's what happens, I mean, when you go to, oh, right. Okay, gotta skip this, or go through this again. Well, yeah. So literally, oh yeah, I'm over there. Follow the arrows. Well, yeah. Now, guys, as soon as this was, I'm not gonna end the video until we get all the machinery to the job site. So, well, there's a barricade there, but no one seems to care, so. Well, apparently I can't go around the stinking cones, so I gotta go, well, yep. Okay, now, wait, break. Where do I go from here? I'm gonna, oh, it was easy. Just straight victory. So we finished. Yep. Wait, what? Oh, excavator. Actual machine. Well, yep. So there's this process. Well, yeah, Jesus, no, break, and now, alright, gotta go in. Hit it. Two tasks in one job, which break. Come on. Not turning. Oh, apparently I can't. So now we got. Well, no. Wait, what? Wait. Wait. Yeah. More. Now we're hauling a load of gravel. What? Alright, now go in reverse one. And this is one reason why I wish I was in. Hi, Stitchers. So we're taking a load of gravel to the job site. Okay, gotta switch lanes. What did I hit? Oh. Go forward. And then get. Oh. Okay, that was easy. What? What does it want me to do? Oh. Okay.
Where are you buying from now?
I always buy from Alibaba.com, where I get great deals at.
So we're on the road roller now, which... Alright, so... Now we just... Oh. I already took my shower, Nick. Oh.
Why is the floor so filthy and wet?
A part of the road. Boom. Oh, now we get to drive the cement truck. Well, yeah, what really gets me is why it never... Well... Okay. Wait. What part of the road? Oh, I only did one whole section. Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Well, yep. You gotta do the entire... Well, the entire... Next level. No. Yeah, 20. 20. Okay, keep going forward. Yep. Now comment down below if you guys think that construction is a good idea for me. Well, yep. No, but the brakes. And now go down the other side of the road, which the road was made like when next Okay, I have no idea. Where do I need to go? Oh yeah, make the turn. Go and turn right. Cause I don't even know what I am in. No, that way. Well, I'll just make... Hold on. Well... Yeah, it'll be fine as long as... Well, yep. As long as... Well, yep. That's better. Well, yeah, at least I can see the arrows. Yeah, but that weighs 80 times better. Where's the next? Oh yeah, keep going forward. Well, yep. Now, this is just me doing it. Now, if this game had multiplayer, I would so hire a couple of my buddies to come play with me. But... game don't have multiplayer, so it's out of the question. But the reason it's taking so long is because I'm doing every level. Break. Go in reverse. Now go forward. Get this one section of highway done now. Go in reverse. And I hope we have to do another road. Just why am I still going in reverse? So we made a road. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can see how the road was. The road just went. No, I don't know what. So we got one road.